My pizza in my pizza oven. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer. Come in. Closer. Because this will only take half a minute to cook, to bubble up. The real, natural, wood-fired oven pizza by Haas. Keep turning it just so it doesn't burn on certain sides. And get the shovel in properly. There we go. There we go. She's cooking well. Another half a minute, she'll be done. She's done from underneath. She's almost done from up the top. 10 more seconds, she'll be cooking. Let's put it up in a bit of heat. Let's have a look at this pizza. How delicious is this? Hi, hi, hi. Haas the pizza man!